Lift it up. Lift up the boat. Don't let it sink. Yeah. Whoa!
Hey, good groovy guys and gals, breaking down the big sounds here. Frank and Ruth E holding here in Life at Key Bahamas.
Good morning, sunshine.
Where are we going today?
For the New Providence Island. That's where Nassau is, and that's where Life for Key is. We're going to see some college friends of mine, and can't wait.
Yeah.
And there's a beautiful sunrise going on right there. We gotta get out of here because New Providence Island's not getting any closer without us doing our part. It's boat time, and it's get to New Providence time. Yeah, baby. There it is. We're on our waypoint, maybe, kind of, sorta, and we're boosting up the RPMs.
The Oxley sail has made it out of the forward compartment down below. Plan is stop being a baby about it and put it up.
Whoa, what's going on? This bag's never to be opened.
Look at this, you gotta pump it up just like a kite surfer.
Woo, pump it up, baby. It's made by a kite surfing company in Sri Lanka. Yeah.
4 months ago, we bought this beautiful Oxley sail, and after the initial setup and tutorial by FKG, the sail has not left the bag. But today we have decided to stop being intimidated by it and put it up.
I'm the sail setter. You stay, boy, you stay.
Do you want to check? Does that look right to you? It took a long time to set the sail up for the first time without any guidance, and we made quite a few mistakes, but we worked through all of the errors, corrected them, and eventually the sail went up.
So I guess once we get used to this, it gets a lot quicker, right?
You got it. When she learns how to do it, and you learn how to obey.
You're so sassy.
That's it.
You're so sassy.
She's learning. You're excited about how fast we'll go.
You're very intuitive about this relationship.
That's right.
And the war of the wills.
She's the speed man, she's the brains.
I'm telling you, she is. And I'm here for
A good ride.
good ride, man. Absolutely. Whoa! Wow! Look at that! Wow! Oh, 6 knots! 6-1! 6-3! 6-4! Oh, it's beautiful! Look at that! It takes 2 brains to get this thing up, and it takes a darn good helmsman. All right, sweetie, can you believe we're finally there?
7.
Can't believe it. Is it raining?
Yeah, a little
Of course,
bit.
we're gonna get a squall.
It's an easy pull down though.
Yeah.
No, well,
I mean, that's the easy
the thing
pull
is,
down.
this thing is can take some extra wind too. She's so beautiful. Wow. Finally. Wow. Man, I love that sail.
Gorgeous.
Yeah, look at the rainbow over there. Wow. Here we are. We're doing in 12.913 knots of apparent wind. We're doing 6 knots, so about half of the apparent wind. Very efficient sail. One thing that's great about this is it really stabilizes the boat and gives you a plush, I'll use the word plush ride. So right now we're bringing in the starboard line on the parasailer because we're more at a beam reach right now. And we're doing great. And 12.5 apparent wind, we're doing about half of that. It's a super comfortable ride.
We have taken in the parasailer because we've got a storm system in front of us that looks a little bit gnarly. So we put the jib out and we'll just fly the jib in. Hopefully the rain and everything will miss us. It's off to the left a little bit. This is Lifer Key, which is on the west end, and this is going to be our home for the next couple of days in here. Anchor's in. Brown is jumping in to do a check. It's been about 25 years since Brown has seen Ruth E and Frank, but Ruth E has been one of our biggest blown away fans. We are looking forward to dinner with them and then a return to the boat tonight to make sure the anchor is holding strong.
Holding on the left side. Let's grab the beautiful housewarming gift right here. There it is. I'm telling you, the plant that doesn't belong on the boat. Ruthie, this is beautiful. Hey there, you need to sell your furniture business for a ton of money. This is the guy to talk to. Tim, stop.
Hey, good groovy guys and gals, breaking down the big sounds here. And Frank and Ruth E holding here in Life at Key, Bahamas, having a big time. Have a toast to my friend Brown Council.
We're just having a great time, and we're all talking, we're sharing, we're living together. Here's Frank Holding right there, President of Zate House. Eric Johnson, there's my lovely wife right there. We're having a little slice of Lyford Key, and we haven't seen each other in 25, 30 years because they've been running from us, but we finally caught them here on the sailboat. And we were out front in the front yard, and so they were really embarrassed and they hadn't invited us into their house.
Wow. Where are we gonna sit?
I've got room up here.
Well, that's why we're putting it all mid. We'll all sit up front on the rail.
Whoa!
What's going on now? We've got this thing full again. What's all this stuff, babe?
We've got trash from the last 2 weeks of being in the Exumas because we couldn't dump the trash with maggots and all nasty stuff. We had to find some pretty clothes, so we had to go through all of our clothes in the front of the boat and found a lot of it to be full of mold, and then we decided to do a clear out. So this is completely filled with things to give away to Goodwill, and then this one is filled with all of our laundry because thank you Frank and Ruthie for letting us do laundry. Yay! Thank you. And then I think that's it. And then we have Jeff.
Yeah, we gotta get going because we're getting ready to get rained on.
Thank you, Ruthie and Frank. Bye, blown away. We'll see you in 2 days. We are gonna stay with Ruthie and Frank tonight and tomorrow night.
Oh, and we're gonna leave our baby.
We left our baby. You would have thought we were leaving for a week with what we did to get prepared to leave. Our first time leaving her overnight, not in a marina. So this is a new one for us.
New step for us.
Big step.
Yep.
So hopefully she'll be okay.
Hopefully, it's amazing when you come back to your boat and it's still there. Like, what a miracle.
Over, under, around, and back.
Brown is getting a lesson from Frank on how to tie a bowline with one hand.
And you can do this without even having to look at it.
Don't film it the first time.
Yeah.
And then around, and then you're gonna just go around that rope, and then just push wiggle it around it. Take your hand, okay, and then just pull it back through the hole. Pull it, okay. Keep pulling it, okay.
Wow. Did you see that? All right, now.
Without doing it.
All right, now.
And you got about 9 minutes. You're gonna have to do it blindfolded. Over it.
Over it. Under it.
Just keep holding the rope. Don't ever let go of the rope. Boom. That's a bolt. That's a bowling.
That's a
incredible.
bowling. That's a
All right, now I'm
bowling.
gonna do it without looking.
All right, let me see. Blind.
You can do this.
This is amazing.
Blindfolded.
You taught somebody how to do this.
I don't know that I've ever played.
I'm gonna pass this on.
Frank, you are a
This
genius.
is first. Okay, so
Go over. Around. And just pull it through. Pull the whole rope through.
yeah, I'm not looking at it. I'm not looking at it. Oops, I used another
No,
hand.
you're fine.
Oh! I have never seen him do this.
He's on it without looking. Without looking.
You know, I would have never thought that I'd be filling up my gas tank at their house, but that's what we're doing.
We're siphoning. We're
so good.
siphoning gas.
So good. While they're not looking.
Well, they're not looking.
Oh no!
We're off. We're off with their gas line. We're off with
yes. That heavenly music.
Oh my gosh! Look at
Oh
this.
my gosh! Look how I can actually carry one of these
Oh,
machines.
look at the size of that.
Do they have good barbecue? Bohemian barbecue. Every country has their own kind of.
You know, jerk. This is
Yeah,
this one to
I
me.
love that stuff. Yeah. Good times.
There's La Croix in here too.
Oh, thank you.
You like your La Croix? La Croix.
Oh, that smells great. Sauces.
Where are you gonna go?
It doesn't matter. Just right this time.
I think we're bringing back as much as we left. How is that possible?
Some of it's groceries. Those, we don't.
She's still there. We are bailing water this morning because someone left the plug open.
Oh, it's never been perfect.
Yes! I'm gonna be jealous that you're playing Mexican Train.
We'll have to get some.
We're gonna get some for sure. No doubt.
We're pumped. We're seeing Eli.
Woo! One shot, baby.
Woohoo!
He's had
That's a good sign.
he's had some rest too. Thank you, thank you.
Bye, thank you for everything.
See you. Bon voyage.
Will it still be floating?
I would give it a 90% chance.
90?
90. How about
Wow.
you?
99.99%.
Whoa! How about you, Jeff?
110%
Yes.
chance that it'll be there.
Look it up.
Jeff's hopeful.
We're all what a stay. That was amazing.
Thank you, Ruth E and Frank, for an amazing weekend that literally blew us away. You guys spoiled us rotten, and we love you so much. See you in North Carolina for a rematch of Mexican Train Dominoes. Goodbye, New Providence. Goodbye, Clifton Bay. We've had a great stay here. It's been amazing to have a couple of days off the boat, but we're back on, and we're on our way.
Miss you already.
Yeah, we miss you, Ruthie and Frank, already.